In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Shopify with Xero. Start by opening your Shopify admin dashboard in your browser. Once the dashboard loads, look to the left sidebar and click Apps. This takes you to the Apps area, where you can search for new tools to connect with your store. In the search bar that opens, type Xero. Say the word as you enter it, letter by letter if needed on screen, so the search can pull up the matching app results. When the results appear, click the app called Xero by Xero. This is the official integration, so make sure you open that listing. On the Xero app listing page, click Install. After that, Shopify redirects you back to your admin and shows the app permissions screen. This page explains what the app needs access to in order to connect your Shopify store with Xero. Click Install again to confirm and continue. Once the app is installed, a new page loads asking you to connect your Xero account. Here, enter your Xero email address in the email field. Then move to the password field and enter your password. After both fields are filled in, click Login. When the login is successful, you'll be redirected back to Shopify automatically. The Xero app page will then show a confirmation that the connection is active. At this point, the integration between Shopify and Xero is complete. Your Shopify store is now connected to Xero, and the setup is ready to work in the background. The integration will automatically create a daily summary invoice in Xero at the end of each day. That summary includes Shopify sales, refunds, shipping, discounts, and payment processing fees. These daily summaries can then be reconciled against your bank feed in Xero. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. That's the full process for connecting Shopify with Xero inside your